How to download Valorant on your PC or your laptop. So the first, what we need to do, we need to go and open the browser here. You can use Google Chrome or Firefox, whatever you want. And then go to Google search. From here, search for Valorant. And then open this one. Download the full game here. It's 100% for free. There's no any price in the game. Maybe there's in-game purchase, but the game itself, the price, it's 100% for free. So once you're here in this website, click on Play Free. And here, this is one more step you need to do. Either you have right account or you don't have right account yet. In my case, I do have one, so I'm gonna click on sign in. But if not, just click on make one and create a new account. So after you logged in, you will be directed to this page once again. So click on Play Free. In here, you can see download the game. Click on this button for download. And as you can see here, the installation of the game is being downloaded. So once downloaded, click on it and install the game, and you can play it for free only with your account. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also let me know down in the comments below if the video was helpful, and thanks for watching.